What if you could control your screens by just wave your finger around like you're in Minority Report or channeling your inner Tony Stark? Well, buckle up, because Samsung's cooking something wild with the next Galaxy Ring. Samsung entered the smart ring game last year, going head-to-head with Oura and other big names. The big advantage was no monthly subscription for health tracking, which can save you money in the long run. But now, Samsung is reportedly working on making its smart ring way more functional, possibly turning it into a full-on gesture-based controller for other devices. A newly published patent from Samsung, filed in July 2024, reveals some crazy possibilities. The diagrams show a Galaxy Ring controlling devices like a laptop and a tablet, with the ability to communicate with at least 2 devices at the same time. That means you could move files, scroll, tap icons, and even transfer files between devices, just by waving your hand. Sounds a lot like Apple's Universal Control, but with a futuristic twist. The only catch is everything needs to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. The patent specifically shows a laptop and tablet, but it's unclear if this will work with smartphones or more than 2 devices at once. According to the patent description, this system creates a natural continuity between screens, making interactions seamless. If Samsung actually brings this to life, it would make the Galaxy Ring the most advanced smart ring out there. Maybe that's why Samsung removed Bluetooth from the S Pen to shift its focus to gesture controls powered by the Ring. Now the first-gen Galaxy Ring does have some gestures like dismissing alarms or triggering the camera shutter, but that's about it. These are things Samsung's wearables already do. But what this patent describes is more like a full-blown wireless peripheral. Of course, this kind of functionality would definitely impact battery life, so Samsung might need to improve that as well. And that's not all. Another recently discovered patent hints at more potential upgrades, like an improved temperature sensor. The current Galaxy Ring does have a temperature sensor, but you can't trigger it on demand. It's mainly used for menstrual cycle tracking. This new patent describes a system where you could manually start a temperature reading using gestures or movements. Since the Ring doesn't have buttons or a touchscreen like a smartwatch, this would be a crucial feature. The sensor is placed on the inner side of the Ring, as seen in the patent images, for more accurate body temperature readings. Of course, patents don't always make it to real products, but everything described here seems totally doable. If Samsung actually brings these features to life, the next Galaxy Ring could be a game changer. What do you think? Would you use a smart ring as a gesture controller? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.